In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a login form in Webflow, a powerful high-end website builder that provides a visual interface for designing and prototyping websites. The first thing you'll want to do is add a form block to your canvas. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the Add Elements panel, which can be found by clicking on the plus icon. Once in this panel, look for Forms. Here, you'll find the form block, which you can simply drag and drop onto your canvas. Your next step will be to add input fields into your form block. The input fields we'll be using are the email and password text fields. To add each one, you'll want to navigate inside your form block and place them in the locations you deem fit. After positioning them, don't forget to label each of them accordingly. One should be marked as the email text field and the other as the password text field. Following these basic groundwork steps, you then need to add a Submit button to the end of your form. This button will ultimately allow users to submit their login details. You can find the Submit button element in the same Forms category where you found the form block. Now, something important to remember is that Webflow does not natively handle user login. Thus, you will need to integrate a third-party service to manage this aspect of your website. A proven and user-friendly example of such a service is MemberStack, which efficiently handles user accounts and authentication. Once you've handled the integration of your membership system, it's time to add a personal touch to your form. You can do this using Webflow's stylizing panel that offers the users a variety of options to adjust elements such as colors, fonts, and spacing. It's here that you can make your login form match seamlessly with the design and vibe of your website. After you've put the final touches on your login form, it's time to publish your site and test your form to make sure everything is functioning properly. You will have the option to publish your site to either your staging environment or your live environment. After publishing, don't forget to perform a few test logins to make sure everything is working as it should. And voila, you have successfully created a login form in Webflow. Remember to always keep your users in mind when designing your form. The simpler, the better. Your users will thank you for it.